future program.
Hello everyone, it's your boy, Jimmy Jaden, and today is my grandmother's birthday! Happy birthday, Grandma!
Thank you, grandson.
You're welcome. So we got her some White Castle for her birthday, but it turns out we even got some for ourselves.
So here's the White Castle burger.
And here's the tater tots. We haven't tried them yet, so we're gonna give it a shot.
I think they call them Hash-brown Nibbles.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, I love Hash-brown Nibbles. Let me get some of that.
Here you go.
What is that?
Ew, what is that?
Is that really their hash brown?
Oh my god, it's stale!
I think I chipped my beak.
No, I think I chipped my tooth.
More like rock brown.
Yeah, more like rock brown.
Disgusting.
Disgusting. Ooh.
Oh my god, I chipped
Oh,
my beak
God.
on that.
Oh god.
You hear that?
Yeah. You hear that? And look, they're hard to squish.
I can't even crush this.
Yeah, you can't even crush this.
Oh! It just crumbled into a bunch of pieces.
It did crumble into a bunch of
Just
pieces.
a dry piece of... That's it. That's disgusting.
Yep, it is.
That should never be served to any living being.
Yep,
Ever.
it's a dry piece of. I'm really good at doing your voice, Jeremy.
Hash-brown Nibbles? More like rock brown Pebbles.
Yeah, more like that. But everything else on the menu is good. Well,
Most disgusting hash browns I ever seen.
uh-huh.
I'm very upset.
Yeah.
About these hamburgers, yeah. I
Yeah.
was so hungry, and then they gave
Yeah.
me these No, not even crunchy.
Yeah.
Rock
Rock.
hard.
Yeah.
Rock hard.
Rock
browns.
hard browns.
That's this.
These don't even taste like they do in Mississippi.
I know. Oh yeah. There's the birthday girl right there.
Mm-hmm.
You know how old you're turning?
66.
That 66. Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy 66.
Uh-huh. She's 66 now. Well, the burgers are really good.
7.
Sorry for puking on your birthday, but those hash browns were sick.
Yeah, they really were.
Yeah.
Grandma, you should try them.
Nasty.
Actually, no, you shouldn't try them.
Freaking nasty. No, just
I
feel
don't
one.
want to go back to Arizona like that.
Nope, just feel one.
When we
Yeah.
got to Mississippi, we got a crispy burger.
I see.
That's a real shit.
You see this?
Yeah. Whoa, did you hear a cricket, guys? Whoa. That's really hard.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Very nasty.
Uh-huh.
What did they find those under the stove? They must have been there for like 2 years.
I'm disappointed.
I know. Really weird, guys. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
everyone's disappointed.
Yep.
Well, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go barf.
Alright, me too, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you later. Bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Be sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below that you subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.